Yeah, so I think Gasolin is a nice name. It would be Diesel if it was in England, so it's better called Gasolin than Diesel. So I think for me, it's always, I mean, like, I can go walk to trot, and you know straight away if the horse is able to carry you sitting and swing. And this horse, again, there's been probably 5 horses, I think maybe over the 2 days, that, you know, you really feel that when you sit, the horse is still moving the same, still swinging in the back. And this is a horse that's strong enough to do that. So that's why I don't sit on every horse, because I just feel like some of the horses are too stiff in the back. It's not just because I don't want to sit. Sitting's fine if the horse is loose enough. So this is, again, a very relaxed horse in his body. You don't feel any tension. I mean, he's, again, feels a very big ride. It doesn't feel like you're riding a pony, that's for sure. So again, the question that I have to decide is he reacting? You can see as soon as I touch him with my spur a little bit, then his hind legs have to cooperate. So it's fine being a relaxed big horse, but he has to have enough blood and nerves, reactions. And you know, when you ride, we always get told you have to do a lot of transitions. And that's not just walk, trot, trot, canter, just different speeds when you're riding. Keep the horse interested. And he's very nice in the trot on my reactions. So the canter has to just come down a little more in the croup. So you feel a little bit here, good rhythm, big rhythm, definite 3-beat, but it's still to do a little bit with straightness. So this way he tends to curl a little bit to the right. And he does easy transitions to his favourite pace. And again, a very big, loose walk. This is one of the biggest walks here. Again, a horse, it probably looks like it feels like it, a horse walking through his body. I think that you have to accept as well the fact that the big movers take a little bit longer to become lighter. So I think that will be, thank you, I think that is something that develops when you get more speed. But it's nice, again, you know, like I've said, some of the horses you get on, and obviously you are, I've never ridden them before, so you can be a little bit apprehensive. They might not always feel like they're going to behave. Most of them have. But that's a very safe feeling horse as well. Relaxed body, put your legs on straight away, and rideable. So that is good rideability. He needs to be straighter. That's what he does need to do. That certainly could get better, especially on the right side. Then you're always having to help him a little bit at the moment, make him straight. But I like riding it and it's rideable. I say give him a 9 for rideability. And I think also you could feel the trot felt really like I could do things with it. The walk has big possibilities for a high mark. It feels like that. the way that he's moving in the walk, and the canter, as I said, at the moment it's only the canter really that's a little bit croup high, so you feel a little bit like he pushes slightly down in the canter, but let's not forget he's 5 years old, but lots of possibilities, so I give him a 9 for capacity as well.